Hi, my name is Shalene Williams. I own a visionary salon here in Morgan Hill, California. We're a full-service salon that also offers hair restoration. We're able to help people in ways that other salons can't because we can provide hair for them for the top of their head, which is very rare for people. This pandemic has shut us down. My employees have no work, we have no income. We have clients that are desperate, that have hair restoration issues that I can't serve them, and that's very difficult. The way I've been handling this salon closure because of the pandemic is I've been at home working fervently on my computer. I have opened an online store so I can sell products, and just really trying to communicate with you, my clients, and letting you know that I'm here for you. I'm open for online interviews, consultations, so we're not going anywhere. It's very difficult right now because a lot of my friends and colleagues are out of work. It is very important for you to support our small businesses. I know it's easy to jump on and get your products from large vendors online. We have no income coming in, and we are going to be able to support you in a much more personal way. I want to say thank you from a visionary salon, and I know we can get through this together.